So for the topics for today, so we're going to talk about software usage analytics with respect to GDPR compliance, include some best practices from a GDPR perspective and also from a technology perspective, and also some key definitions like data controllers and processors, which is a key element of GDPR, and hopefully address a lot of the questions you have. If not, you can certainly ask questions at the end of this. Now, as I bring it to Bob to kind of talk about the aspects of the GDPR, I just wanted to give you some insight why we chose Privacy Ref and Bob. And we had some options here in terms of working with different legal counsels, and we do work with our legal counsels to understand positioning of GDPR. But I thought the background that Bob offered was the best in the case that he was operational at his role in Staples and really had to think about this in terms of all the internal business operations. So I just wanted to give you that little aspect of why we chose Privacy Ref. Bob, I'll let you take it from here, and then I'll come back a little bit later.
Okay, thanks, Vic. Good afternoon, everyone. So let's talk about what GDPR is all about. There's been privacy laws in place in Europe for decades. The current framework that's in place is referred to as the EU Privacy Directive, Directive 95/46/EC, which is not a law per se. What it is a framework, a directive to the different member states of the European Union to implement privacy laws that reflect that framework. There have been some challenges with it. I mean, you can imagine 28 different sovereign countries trying to come to agreement on how to interpret a law and how to implement the protections is going to cause some variance. So back in 2016, after a long discussion period, the European Union created a pan-European law known as General Data Privacy Regulation. It's been published, it's been out there since 2016, but it becomes effective on May 25th, 2018. So companies have been actively preparing for it, and Revulytics is one of them.